Hey there. Tired of that never-ending sound? Yeah, that one, from the bathroom. That's your toilet running, and it's not just annoying, it's wasting water and hiking up your bills. It's like your toilet has its own mini waterfall, right? But no worries, today, we're diving into the plumbing world to tackle just that, how to stop a toilet from running. But first, what are things you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get into it. Get rid of it! First off, let's talk about what causes this. The culprit could be a faulty flapper, a problem with the fill valve, or an issue with the float. Think of it like your toilet has a leaky faucet inside, it just can't quite shut itself off. Annoying, huh? Let's start with the simplest solution, the flapper. That's the rubber thing at the bottom of the tank. When it gets old, it can't create a proper seal anymore, letting water sneak into the bowl. You know, the Environmental Protection Agency conducted a study in 2019 stating that a running toilet could waste up to 200 gallons of water per day. 200 gallons. That's like flushing your toilet over 50 times for no reason. Imagine the water bill. So, let's get to work. Shut off the water supply. There's usually a valve behind your toilet. Turn it clockwise. Now, remove the toilet tank lid. Don't worry, it's not as gross as you think. Now, take a look at that flapper. Does it look worn or damaged? If yes, that's our guy. Removing the old flapper is as easy as unhooking it from its sides and the chain from the lever. Then, just take your new flapper, hook it back onto those sides, and reattach the chain. Make sure it's not too tight or too loose, you want Goldilocks just right. Not a fairy tale, but it's the same principle. Now, if your flapper's looking good, let's check the fill valve. It's the contraption on the side of the tank. A busted fill valve can cause your tank to overfill, and water goes straight into the overflow tube. Just like before, start by shutting off the water. Unscrew the fill valve and replace it with a new one. They're adjustable, so make sure to set the height to match your old one. Then, attach it to the fill tube, and you're set. Does your toilet still run? If it does, it might be a float issue. Adjust the screw on top of the fill valve to raise or lower the float until your toilet fills just right. Don't be shy to get your hands a bit wet. Remember, we're saving water, money, and sanity here. And hey, who knew you could be a DIY plumbing pro? That's all for today, folks. A running toilet is no longer a mystery, right? Be sure to subscribe, share, and drop a comment below. Have you tried these steps? Got any toilet tales to tell? We'd love to hear about your DIY adventures. Remember, the key to a quiet toilet is just a few steps away. And now you've got the know-how. Before we wrap up, a quick recap. Check your flapper, it might be the sneaky culprit. If that's all good, take a look at the fill valve. Still no luck? Check the float. Just like a detective, follow the clues until your toilet runs no more. Make sure to join us next time for more household hacks and DIY tips. Until then, keep those tools handy and never fear the running toilet again.